If you have a nicotine or vaping addiction, please stop scrolling and watch this video. I have only been vaping for less than a year. I am fully hooked. I have every single physical symptom listed on the side effects and every single mental health issue listed on the side effects as well. It has been controlling my life ever since I took the first hit in last August. I've never gone through a period of more than a few hours without access to one. I pulled this out of my drawer just to film this video. It's right here. Don't worry, I'm not going to hit it. But this was my very last vape. I hit it yesterday, so I'm going to document my journey without it. Some of my physical symptoms have been, I always feel like I need more sleep because I'm super tired and feel lethargic. I'm also having hair loss due to oxidative stress caused by nicotine, the chemical. I have no creativity, no drive for things, and I am just ready to be fully independent from it and stop letting it control my life. I'm anxious. It's only been one day without it, and I feel like there's something wrong, but I don't know what's wrong. So, first thing I'm trying are these Nicotine 21 milligram clear patches. Just put my first one on today, and I'm holding it. You hold it for 10 seconds, and the nicotine slowly releases through your body. Like I said, I'm starting with the 21 milligram patch because you wear the 21 milligram for the first 6 weeks, and then you go down and down in dosage until the last 12 weeks. So I'm ready. I'm going to just document how I feel throughout the days of killing this addiction once and for all. So let's go.